Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how do I change my Gmail password on my computer. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to simply click your profile at the top right corner and then simply locate manage your Google account. So tap this one right here and click this manage your Google account. Once you tap this, it will take you to another page. And then what you're going to do here is scroll down till you see this security option. Tap this one. And then after you tap this security option, you will see this page right here. And under security, you just have to scroll down and then look for password. As you can see, it was changed last October 2023. So to change your password, all you have to do is to enter again your password and then tap this next button below. And after you tap this next button, you will see this section right here where you can enter your new password and confirm new password and click this change password button. Okay, so you have to make sure that password strength is strong. So again, once everything is okay, then all you have to do is to click this change password. Remember, you have to take note of your new password in order for you to simply log in easily. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.